Hello guys, welcome back to Giggly 511 YouTube channel. So, my name is Ilmiah and today I'm gonna do a video about me unboxing this large giftbox. Woo! Let's get started! So, as you guys can see, in front of me there's a large keyboard that I ever had in my life. Did you guys wondering who will give me this large box? It is from my boyfriend or my friends? No, not exactly. It is not from my friends or not even my boyfriends. But it is given by my own mother. So see, right? Okay, before I unwrapping this box, I want to share to you all stories about how my mother can give me this large box. So, the last Wednesday, I had shown some TikTok video about someone give or maybe buy a gift box to their friends and maybe their girlfriends. And I really wish that I could get that too. And you know what? I asked my mother to buy it for me. And my mother says, why must we buy something that we can do it by ourselves? And finally she promised me that she will give me a large gift box before I go back to school. And here it is in front of my eyes now. I'm so excited to open it. Without wasting our time, let's open this box. Okay, first, wow, she put some sticker. Oh no, a sticker here. Love and good wishes. Oh, so sweet. So I will open it nicely. I wonder how can she wrap in this large box? How can I open this? I think this is shredded paper that she made it by herself. So sweet! The first thing that I got is Maggie! Of course! So because I want to go to school, so she prepares me Maggie as well. But I don't really eat Maggie actually. Okay, the second thing is cold fever. Oh my god. You guys know, I rarely get a fever at school, but it's okay. But this is a boy fever. Did she think I'm a children? It's okay. So the third thing that I got is cream cracker biscuit. If you see cream cracker biscuit, it will come also with Milo packs. I really like to dip this biscuit into hot Milo water. It will be so yummy. You can eat it during your breakfast or maybe your supper. I got so many Milo here. Yeah, see what here? Oh, 25 cookies. It comes with oats and strawberry pieces. I really like this biscuit. It's gonna be my favorite biscuit, you know. You know what? Oatmeal cookies have a high fiber content compared to the normal sugar cookies. It contains significant amount of mineral like calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium, and all of which are needed for overall physical health. Compared to the sugar cookies, oatmeal cookies also have less calorie amounts, you know. So it is a healthy biscuit for you guys to eat. You can eat it as your snack or during your classes. You can bring it to your class. Yeah, maybe. But please ask your teacher permission first, okay? Hey guys, look what's here. Popo muruku. It is a sweet and spicy muruku. You know what? My mother had warning me to not eat any crackers at school or it will affect my studies. But why she give me this? Oh, it is a muruku, not a cracker, right? Right guys? It's okay. And finally, my favorite snack here. Chocolate! It's a crispy chocolate. It comes with rice cereals. Let's open it. Let's taste one. So sweet. So there is a rice here. Rice cereal. Now we have next. It is a chocolate that coated with peanut and raisin. It is my favorite snack. The packaging is also beautiful, right? Purple. Oops. The second last thing is chocky. I always eat this chocky with breads. Choco mix. It have chocolates and milk flavors. See? This is chocolates and milk flavor. This chocolate is kid favorites. They like to eat this. And finally, the last thing that we got here is Cloudnut wafer beans. It is a chocolate coated wafer with vanilla flavored cream. It is a wafer. It is also my favorite too. Let's see the small packaging. Vanilla here. Okay, I think I already finished unboxing this large gift box. So that's all from me. Don't forget to subscribe our channels and don't forget to like my videos. See you soon. Bye bye.